So the main programming environment we will be utilizing for this course inside of Anaconda is called Jupyter Lab. So I think many of the things you'll see out there, a lot of people have utilized Jupyter Notebook. It's a little bit more lightweight. Jupyter Lab has a little bit more of the feel I like, so it's really just a preference, but I want to show you how to access that so we can jump right into our learning topics. So there are two main ways to do this. You can do this either through the Anaconda Navigator or by just going straight to the same prompt that we utilize to install our modules and typing in Jupyter Lab and selecting enter. So this looks just like this. When you launch the Anaconda Navigator, you'll have your selection of the different environments and items that are offered through Anaconda. You would select either this launch button here if for Jupyter Lab, or if you bring up your Anaconda prompt and you type in Jupyter Lab and select enter, either is going to launch that environment for you in your default web browser.